Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patrice, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Cricut. I'm super excited because I have a complete Cricut haul. I got the Cricut Explorer 2, so let's get into it. So those of you that might be asking, what in the world is a Cricut? Well, I personally like to call it the Wonder Machine. It is a machine that can cut over 100 types of materials, and it's a DIY machine. I decided to get the Cricut Explorer Air 2 because for the things that I want to make, specifically being a teacher in the classroom, this was the best machine for me. I also like the fact that you can use your device, an iPad, your laptop, your MacBook, even your phone, to connect it to what you call design space so that you can go make a project in your living room, in your office, your classroom, wherever. So that's one of the first things that I love. But even though you have a machine, you might also be asking, well, how do I start? So I have a box here I got in the mail filled with goodies, and it's based off of a bundle. So when I bought the machine, I got the bundle that would allow me to have everything that I needed to start right away. Now, the machine does come with certain things. It comes with the actual machine, obviously, the welcome book, a USB cable, a power adapter, a free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers, 50 ready-to-make projects, materials for a practice project. But I also felt like, knowing me, if I don't have everything that I need to get started, I'm never going to get started. So if that was the case, where I could find a bundle, then I went online to discover on Cricut.com what was the right bundle for me. So the first thing that I bought, this is a portable trimmer. You can use any trimmer really, but I wanted the Cricut trimmer for aesthetic purposes and for the fact that it has measurement on here that will go along with the projects that I'm using. It also has directions on the back that will allow you to get started with whatever you're cutting. Most importantly, it has the glide blade system so that you don't make any mistakes. The thing that I also got is a Cricut machine tool organizer. So once you get your Cricut, you're going to have different types of blades. So if you wanted to put blades in here, you can, and it's organized. And since I love organization, why not get an organizer? The next thing, I read online that you absolutely positively need a brayer. When you use your brayer, then you're easily able to roll this on your mat to get up the materials that you've used. On the back, it shows you different examples, how to use your brayer, firmly pressing on the mat or the workspace that you have. I also read that it's important for you to have heat-resistant tape if you are doing heat transfers. I did end up buying a heat press machine so that I can make t-shirts or anything that would call for a heat press. But this is very easy to use because it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it will leave no residue. So if you're trying to put something down and you're using your heat press, you would put this on the corners so that it doesn't come up. I'm sure every Cricut user has their own set of weeding tools. This is a weeding tool set, and you can see the different tools that it comes with. The weeder, the hook weeder, the piercing tool, the hook tweezers, and the fine tweezers. This is supposed to help make your projects run so much more smoothly. So the other thing I got was also a basic tool set. Again, some of these tools you might already have had laying around that you can use for dual purpose, like scissors, but it has a top that will protect the scissors. It also has your spatula scraper, which is here, your scissors again, and then another set of tweezers. Now, I have been told, since I'm new to being a Cricut owner, that having a lot of different tools is essential because you have different projects. And the fact that I have a weeding tool set and an actual basic tool set I hope will be helpful with projects, because I'm the type of person, if I'm starting something, I don't have everything that I need at that point, I put it down and it might take a while for me to go back. Okay, the next I have a true control knife. I also love these colors. But the control knife is helping you cut out things with this blade when you are actually getting ready for a project. Because I haven't started yet, I don't know what it'll be like, but I'm excited that I have it. Okay, scoring stylus. This says that it shifts instantly between your cuts and scoring without changing the tools. The scoring stylus marks full lines on paper for easy assembly. So I don't know what I'm gonna use or how to use this yet, but I'm just excited that I have it, and when I'm ready, we're gonna start some stuff. Fine point pen set came in the bundle as well. And they go inside of the machine, which I'm excited to see, because it's like, if I have a big project that I'm doing in my classroom, I put the pen set, the color that I want, and it's supposed to write for you. I was told that it's very important to make sure that the caps stay on and that you turn it this way so that the ink will settle down when you're trying to use it. It says that it writes and draws flawlessly with Cricut cutting machines, of course, and always test before you actually do a project. I saw a lot of Cricut users bought this, the extra large scraper, because I have different types of actual mats. So the size of this is really good. Okay, now the other thing that I got in my bundle, because I bought 2 different bundles. I have a heat press machine that hasn't been delivered yet, but when it comes, I want to make sure I have vinyl. So what is vinyl? Vinyl is a strong bond when you're trying to make projects, and there's different colors based on the projects that you want to use. So I've got raspberry, one of my favorite colors. I have this turquoise. Then I got premium vinyl. I don't know the difference yet, but hopefully I'll keep uploading videos to teach you guys different things that I learned. This is a stencil material mat, and it has little grids here for when I want to do stencil. And then this is more premium vinyl, the color red. Of course, glitter. Long lasting, it says, glitter iron on. This is transfer for when I want to do a heat press project. And this is everyday iron on red again. And I'm looking to see, there is a difference. This is the premium vinyl. Lies flat, easy to weed, it says, and then this is everyday. So I'm anxious to learn that. Now, I have taken a mini course already. I am no pro, so I will not be doing transfer vinyl, premium vinyl, anything vinyl yet until I learn how to use my machine. This is more transfer tape, the grid again. Can't wait to understand that. This color makes me so happy. This is foil iron on. Okay, and it's gold. And then we have one more red, but this is glitter iron on. Okay, when you get your heat press machine, you have to have a mat. So I got a heat press mat, and I have the bigger mat because I got the larger heat press to do my projects on. Okay, in the bundle I also got the printable vinyl. I definitely saw where a lot of the veteran users of Cricut were saying that you need to have a different array of transfer paper. So here's that. And then I got a variety pack of my mats. Light grip mat. I have the purple mat, which is the standard, I believe. I may not be right, but basically there's 3 mats. There's blue, there's purple, and there's green. And so because I have a variety pack, I can use the mats for different types of projects. So I can't wait to unbox my machine. Are you guys ready for me to unbox my machine? All right, so these are all the things that I got in my bundle to get ready for not only my Cricut projects, but also using my heat press machine. So now that I've shown you my bundle of heat press materials, plus all the materials that I'd be using for my Cricut, let's go ahead and open up my Cricut box. Okay, so now let's unbox the actual Cricut machine. So again, in case you forgot, I have the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and the color that I chose is mint. So the box is pretty big, and I went ahead and cut it ahead of time so that I wouldn't have struggles getting it out. But it came with this blue mat, and I believe this is the light grip, yep. So I have the light grip mat, and then it came with a welcome kit. And let's see what's inside of the welcome kit. Welcome, and it says, "You've got this and you've got us. If you need help," they show you on here where to go. And then it has this envelope, "Let's get started." And inside of Let's Get Started, number 1, unleash this beauty. 2, get connected. 3, make a little something. 4, bookmark this page, and that's just Cricut.com. I really like this because I have a silhouette machine and it still sits inside of its box because the directions that were inside of that did not exist. And therefore, the YouTube videos were not enough for me to feel motivated to learn how to use it. So many years later, here I am with Cricut, hoping that we can be better friends. Okay, so what else? There is the Cricut book, which I love because I love a user manual, and just some examples of projects that you can do. Nice and colorful. On the back of this book, there's also useful links to help you get started. Fonts, design space, which is where you'll be making everything. What's included in the box, a breakdown of my machine. Okay, so there's that. And then this is cardstock for my first project when I'm ready to do all the things. And then 2 more pieces of cardstock, black and then blue. And then the only other thing that came in this welcome kit is your warranty statement. And that's it. Now, the other thing that's in the box is the machine. Yeah. So, let's pull this puppy out. It by these, doesn't get damaged, on its way to you. And then these were at the bottom, your cords to plug it in. And then this is your Cricut, one of the pens that I showed you earlier. This is black. So I'm just gonna put this back here for now so I can show you everything. And then your Cricut, this is what the box looked like. Okay, so let's take a closer look at our machine. So it has all of this protective tape on it. She's such a beauty. I love her. Let's take this off. So, show you the back. It's kind of heavy. Okay, and then it says remove the sticker. They're not playing with this protective tape. And then inside of this box, I told you it came with cords. So we'll go ahead and take those out. A power adapter. adapter is gonna go here in the back. Then this, I believe, is probably the USB to connect to the device that you're using, your computer or laptop. And then it even has its little Cricut thing on there. That's cute. Yep, so this would be, whoops, wrong way. This would be where we plug into our device. Okay, so that's plugged in, and then I don't need that right now because I'm not actually ready to do a project just yet, because one of the things that I have to do is set up my workspace. And honestly speaking, in our home, I don't really have any more space since I'm teaching from home. But I am gonna plug this in. So now that we've plugged it in, the power adapter green light is on to let me know. And then this is power. And then there's a pause button here, a Cricut button, and an arrow button. And then it says paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, poster board, and custom. And then here is the open button where we can actually load. So we hit. And then we want to take this out, right? We don't need that. She's a beauty, y'all. She's a beauty, and I love her. Can you see it inside? And then right in here is storage for blades, and then storage for our tools. And then when we want to close it, and then this is also storage for all your tools. I'm not really sure what this little guy is for, but maybe it's for storage as well. And then when we're done, we turn it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video and felt my excitement. I have been wanting to do mini projects at home for a while now, and I kept going back and forth. Should I get one? Should I wait? And I thought to myself, you like to be creative, why wait? If there's something you want to do, I believe in doing it as best as you can, when you can. And I'm very happy that I am gonna have a full setup. I'm really looking forward to filming my next video where I have my workspace set up and I organize my workspace and do my first cut. I cannot wait for this new and exciting journey. If you all have tips about a Cricut, no matter what model you have, I'd love to hear them below in the comment section. And I can't wait to show you my first project. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video and to my channel. Share it with your friends, and we can start this journey together, hopefully. And I hope that I won't procrastinate and just keep it sitting around. One of the things that I have done is I have also enrolled in different classes. I took the first class, but I also want to keep learning. So I've looked at different people on YouTube and also people I've seen on Instagram and TikTok that are really great at making creations. So stay tuned, guys, and I will see you in my next video.